This 2022 Forest River Sandpiper 3330BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, stovetop burner, slide-out, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, microwave, spare tire kit, oven, leveling jacks, smoke detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Sandpiper 3330BH is 10,769 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.